Hello everyone, my name is Perry Singh. I'm here at Jess Ford of Pullman. Today I will be talking about a 23 Ford Escape Titanium and a 22 Ford Escape SE. Alright guys, so let's start with the 22 Ford Escape SE. So this one is the 1.5 inline 3 EcoBoost engine. It's producing 181 horsepower and 190 foot-pounds of torque. This one is the all-wheel drive model. You can get them in front-wheel drive. You can also get them in a hybrid as well as a plug-in hybrid. Just keep in mind that plug-in hybrid is going to be front-wheel drive. Let's get started and take a look inside. So this is an SE model, so you're going to get cloth seats, 8-way power adjustable driver seat, manual passenger seat. This vehicle also has the cold weather package, which gives you heated steering wheel, heated seats, even though they're cloth. Still going to get adaptive cruise control, Sync 3 system, which is still going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It's just going to be wired. Bluetooth, automatic high beams, LED headlamps, and then up top we have your sunroof slash moonroof. Does have a panel on there where, let's say if it's too sunny outside, you can retract it back so there's not too much sun in it. So let's move on to the back seats now. So in the newer Ford Escapes, they did make an indent or a cutout in the back of the seats, both the driver and the passenger seat, giving you a lot more knee room. In the center, you do have room for a child seat, which is these vehicles are perfect for. If you have a family and you have new kids, you can fit a couple of car seats in the back. Down here, you do have a couple of USBs. It's a micro USB and a USB-C. So if you have any kids in the back that need to charge their iPads or iPhones, you can do so. In the center, you're going to also have cup holders as well as an armrest. Now we can move on to the space in the back. All right, guys, we're in the back of the Ford Escape. Over here, we're going to have the Escape emblem written out. Right underneath that, we do have a backup camera. And the neat thing about the Ford Escapes, they do give you an option for a power tailgate as well as on the key fob. In the back, you can get quite a bit of space. So if you have big luggage or if you're traveling, let's say if you're going to Seattle and you need to put a couple of luggage bags in the back, you can. If you need a little bit more room, the back seats do fold down. They are a 60-40 split. Other than that, that's the back of the Ford Escapes. So this is our new 23 Ford Escape Titanium. It is the 2-liter EcoBoost motor in it, which is an inline 4, producing 150 horsepower at 280 torque. On this model, they did do a redesign on it. On the front end, the hood is a little bit more of a curve to it. The headlights, they do have daylight running lights running on top of them with the redesigned front bumper, front grille, as well as the titanium comes with this LED bar that lights up. Right underneath that, you're going to have your newly designed fog lights as well as front sensors. This vehicle is equipped with a 360 camera package on it, which does give you the front camera as well. So if you're parking in the garage, you can see exactly how far you are from the front of your vehicle. Let's move on to the interior. So now that we're sitting in the Ford Escape, on the left-hand side, we do have memory seats. So in this higher trim level, you are going to get 10-way driver adjustable seats. And then also on the passenger side, you're going to get 8-way automatic adjustable seats. This is the titanium package, so you do get the upgraded cruise control on it. So you get adaptive cruise control where you can maintain the distance behind the vehicle in front of you, as well as your lane keeping system. With the titanium package, you're going to get a all digital display up ahead, as well as a redesign on the display for your sync system. That's going to be a Sync 4 system, which the benefit of that is you're going to have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly. So if you're driving around, you don't have to fidget with wires and plugging them in. It's going to automatically connect to your phone and transfer it over. It's going to be a bigger display than the previous years. And then right below that is going to be all your drive modes as well as your 360 camera package. It is going to give you a physical volume button. I know some of the buttons that did move over to all digital on the bottom end of that display. Still going to get heated seats, heated steering wheel. Right below that, you're going to have your wireless charge pad because it is a titanium trim level. Cool thing about the titanium is you're going to get the leather seats. They do heat up a little bit quicker than the cloth with the heated seats. Let's move on to the back. Now that we're in the back of the 23 Ford Escape, not much has changed besides you get the leather seats because it is that titanium trim level. Same amount of room with the indent, so giving you quite a bit of room for your knees. Right down there, you do have a little bit of a change. So instead of getting a micro USB as well as a USB-C, you get a 2 micro USB-Cs. In the middle, do still have your cup holders as well as the armrest. So these vehicles tend to be great for new families with a young one. And that's it for the back. Let's move on to the trunk. All right, guys, now that we're in the back of the Ford Escape 23, we have the same emblem in the back of the Escape. Neat thing about the 23s, they did move over to the LED tail lamps. Still going to get backup sensors. Another neat thing is they still kept the dual exhaust on these. Still get the backup camera because this one does have the 360 camera package as well. They did move over the tailgate opener right next to the backup camera. Neat thing about the 23 Ford Escapes, they did make the power tailgate standard on all trim levels, even the base active trim level. In the back of the Ford Escape 23, still going to get a spare down below. Quite a bit of space, so you can still fit the same amount of luggage that you would fit in the 22 and the 23. The seats in the back are still the 60-40 split. These vehicles, like I said, on the 22, they are great for running around in town, groceries, or even traveling if you need to go somewhere like Seattle all the way from Pullman. I want to tell you guys about one of my favorite features on the new Ford vehicles. They're going to come with Ford Pass app. So it's an app that comes free that you could download on your phone. No subscription, no payment at all. You earn points for doing services, buying parts, buying new vehicles. You will be able to remote start, unlock your vehicle, check how much gas is in your vehicle, even pinpoint where your vehicle is at. All from your phone, free to use, no subscription, no payment at all. My favorite part about the Ford Pass app is, let's say if you're sitting super far away from your vehicle, the key fobs, they only go a certain distance. So if I'm sitting super far away and it's snowing outside and I need to warm up my car, I can just pull out my phone with the Ford Pass app and I can hit the start button on it. In 10 seconds, it'll be started and it'll be already warming up for me. And when I get to my car, I'm not freezing to death. I want to say thank you for watching our video on differences between the 22 and the 23 Ford Escapes. My name is Perry. I'm here at Jess Ford of Pullman. If you guys have any questions at all, or if there's anything we can do for you, please leave a comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching again.